Hello and welcome to today's lesson. Today we will focus on setting purpose from engagement text to decodables.
Materials.
The only materials that you will need for today's lesson is your thinking cap. We have two learning targets for today's lesson. The first learning target says, using evidence from the text, I can answer questions about the story Time to Bake. The second learning target says, I can read the decodable text Time to Bake.
Read aloud.
Listen carefully as I read our engagement text, Time to Bake. Afterwards, I will ask you some questions. A big baker makes some bread. He wiggles his belly and shakes his head. Jib and jab, rub a dub. He washes his hands in a big round tub. Bash and dash, and then a thud. Bam and jam, chop and cut. The pot is big and the lid is shut. The water boils and the pan is hot. Sizzle, zizzle, and bubbles pop. The oil spits above the heat. The dogs are hungry, they want to eat. The ham is hot and the dog will fuss. Yip and yap, and then a hush.
Question and answer.
What is the baker making? Bread. What does the baker feed to the dogs? Right, ham. What does this mean? Sizzle, zizzle. Something is sizzling while cooking in the pot. The text says the oil spits. What does that mean? How can oil spit? It pops out of the pan. Why do the dogs fuss? They want some ham. They are hungry.
Word work.
Our new story this week is based on Time to Bake. Before we read, let's look at some high-frequency words that we will see in our story. And you will see this word in our story. This is the word a. This is the word then. This is the word the. And the word is.
Read aloud.
As we read, search for our high-frequency words and, a, then, the, and is. Touch your nose when you hear one. Jib and jab, rub a dub. Are any of our high-frequency words here? And, a. Bash and dash, and then a thud. Are any of our high-frequency words here? And twice. Then and a. Bam and jam, chop and cut. Are any of our high frequency words here? And twice. The pot is big and the lid is shut. Do you see any of our high frequency words here? The, is, and the again, and is again. The ham is hot and the dog will fuss. Do you see any of our high frequency words here? The, is, and the again, yip and yap, and then a hush. Do you see any of our high frequency words here? And twice. Then a.
Closing reflection.
What tools did you use to read Time to Bake? I hope you are thinking about finding our high frequency words to help you along the way. Continue to search for our high frequency words and a, then, the, and is as you read this week. See you next time.